Zach, and this is the guy that's going to end up with the ZAK-O-CASTER.
Yes.
And he looked at all the samples, and which one did you decide you liked the best?
The top one here.
Number 5.
Yes, number 5. As Dane saw in his mind's eye, it was actually coming to fruition here, so it's perfect.
Yeah, I like it. I think it's very close to what you had in the picture initially. I think it's a little lighter, which is what we talked about the other day.
Yes.
Maybe being just a fuzz lighter, so I think it should be good.
It's going to be perfect because it's going to continue to show that grain of that beautiful altar, and that's exactly what we're looking for, so
Awesome.
I really appreciate it. Yeah, thanks, man.
Great, yeah. Well, Zach's Strat is going to get final sanded, some vinyl sealer shot on it, and then I'll be shooting the color. I'll be doing that this afternoon.
Oh, wow.
As soon as I get my temporary spray booth put together here in my little dust hole, so we don't want dust on that. All right. All right, folks, thanks.
All right.
Take care.
Have a good one.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.